Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making.
Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be making a ramen noodle and spam soup. I will be using, the ingredients I will need is a spicy noodle, some spam, 2 eggs, green onion, some olive oil. That's the ingredients for today, and I will also be adding some sriracha sauce to it. Just to let you guys know, sriracha will be one of my sauces that I will be adding to the ingredients for my soup base. So just stand by. I'm about to start making it. I'm about to start my process. I will actually need 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. Sorry. Make sure it gets on the pan evenly. This is actually for the spam right now. And I have water already in the back boiling for the noodles. Open up the spam. There's like a ton of things you could do with the spam, guys. Let me dump this out. Spam want to give me a little hard time to come out, guys. It's coming. Oh, it's definitely coming. Here goes my spam. I'm actually going to cut it into a couple pieces. See where I actually cut it? A couple pieces. Scooch up a little bit. Okay. I think that's good. Cut it about this thick. Hands are already washed, everyone. I'm going to lay this in. Like that, I put it on a medium heat. Start it off. This grease is popping, guys. It is really popping. Let that fry. I'm going to put the leftover spam away because I'm actually going to do something with that at a later time. Turn it down to a low, medium low. That water didn't actually start getting to a boil yet. It's starting. Turn the spam over. Keep it on there for about each side for around 3 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes. So you see a golden brown. Look at that. So it's turning to a golden brown. Water was boiling. I added my noodles and keep them in there for approximately 5 minutes. And I'm gonna add the eggs to the same grease that I had for the Spam. 2 eggs, and I actually let them fry a little bit. Add a little pepper. I'm not going to add any salt to this because I'm almost certain that Spam is salty enough. But I don't want too much salt. Now I'm going to actually crack the yolk. See how it's fried? I'm going to crack the yolks a little bit. And then just let them fry. My noodles is actually back here. They're done. Got to take those out. And I keep majority of the juice and add it to the soup. So let me start adding the soup. Broth in there. Make sure your eggs don't start to stick. Just let them fry. Let them cook a little bit longer on that side, then I'm gonna turn them over. So now I'm gonna add the sauce to the soup. That, guys, my egg is fried hard. My noodles is here. I'm gonna add my green onions to it. Stir that a little bit because I'm gonna add some to the top. I'll save some to add to the top, but then I'm gonna add a little bit of sriracha. This might be hot, guys. I don't need too much. I don't want it that spicy. Then I'm going to mix that. So hold on. I'm actually mixing this now with the sriracha. Now I'm going to add my Spam. And I'm going to actually add the egg. It's in there smoothly. So there you go. Smoothly. So I'm going to add the other onions to the top of it. Spam and ramen noodle and Spam soup.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time.